Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Note, however, that some users report a tank will only last for 6 hours even on low setting. Run time can vary drastically depending on the quality of your kerosene. Small heaters do come with their downsides though. It will take a while to heat up a room, and it isn't going to do much for a large space.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Adequate ventilation is necessary for safe operation of the kerosene heater. Burning kerosene consumes oxygen and produces carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide and other gases.
Take our lead.
The most common cause of a kerosene odor in the house is the presence of petroleum products like paint or oil. When drying paint mixes with traces of natural gas in the air from your stove, water boiler, etc., it produces an odor similar to kerosene. It's not dangerous, just thoroughly air out your house.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Kerosene heaters, DIY heat treatments. They should never be used as a means to heat your home in an attempt to kill bed bugs. Torpedo kerosene heaters are completely ineffective in killing bed bugs, as they simply do not raise the temperature high enough. 10 December 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Although kerosene heaters are very efficient while burning fuel to produce heat, low levels of certain pollutants, such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide, are produced. Exposure to low levels of these pollutants may be harmful, especially to individuals with chronic respiratory or circulatory health problems.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.